Hi, in front of me is CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store and type Shadow Galaxy. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click on Settings. Over here you can customize the wallpaper however you want to, and when you're done, go back. Choose Open and click on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner. Over here you need to decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!